It's been months that I was talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide or Galaxy Z Fold 8, and this is my first attempt to make the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide and how wide it compared to my iPad mini and other smartphones. So yeah, this is my first attempt to make the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, or the new name would be Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Although if you want to try out the taller foldable phone on a budget, Z Fold 7 is on a massive discount right now from Samsung listed in this video. Now, when we talk about this phone looks really big in renders, but I actually made it with a cardboard and the exact dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and this is how it's gonna look like. Look at that. And if we compare it to a normal phone, this phone looks slightly wider because this phone is slightly shorter compared to a normal phone. It's a 5.4 inches cover display and the inner display is 7.6 inches. This is the 7.6 inches. Maybe I am probably 1 centimeter different compared to original device, but I actually use the official dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, which comes with the 5.4 inches cover display and a 7.6 inches inner display with a height of 123.9 millimeter and a width of 161.4 millimeter. Yeah, that's the exact dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and I just made it, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now, if we compare it with the iPad, yes, this phone looks smaller compared to the iPad mini 4th generation. So I don't have a latest version of iPad, but right now if I compare it with my 4th generation iPad, well, obviously that iPad has some big bezels on top and bottom, but if we put it side by side, yes, this phone almost have a screen size of the iPad mini 4th generation. Obviously this phone also gets smaller bezels, but if we compare, we almost get the similar screen size as the iPad mini 4th generation, and this is probably one of the best ones we have to watch out the content with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. Now this is how it's gonna look like. 2 cameras on the back, and these 2 cameras are actually, one is a 50 megapixel and the other one is also a 50 megapixel sensor. Probably this one is the ultra wide and this one will be the main and the flashlight. This is probably how wide this phone will gonna look like, and this is probably my first try. Some people already got the dummies of Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, and I just want to try out and I just want to share my experience. We can actually use it and the grip is probably really good. Like, I was thinking maybe we don't get that much of a good grip with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, but I think this grip is really good. I mean, it just completely fits in my hand. My hands are not that big, normal hands, and I think this is how it will gonna look like compared to our normal phone. This is how good I can use with my phone. Now, along with this, we got more details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. This time, we got the Z Fold 8, which is a wider version, hands-on video, and it looks absolutely insane. Let's just first talk about the video and what I said about this. Now, this is the video of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. Now, first, it just completely fits into your hand, and it is a lot wider compared to our normal phone and even the Galaxy Z Fold 7. But it just gives me a feels like the LG View 2 or LG Note 2. If you want to search about this phone, that phone is this much wider, and I used that phone a while ago, probably in 2013 and 2014 that phone was used, and this phone looks like that from a cover display, and I really like this phone. Is really good for multimedia use, but only 2 cameras on the back, and those 2 cameras are not that great. Now, what I said about this, the low quality dummy model of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide has appeared online. Its build quality is far from the real device, so it should only be used as a rough reference. From what I know, Samsung's internal testers are actually very fond of this device. Maybe it's because the form factor feels fresh and different. Samsung will actually create hype this time with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition because most of the people would go with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And there's one more reason why Samsung is thinking the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and Z Flip 8 will be the successor and not the Galaxy Z Fold 8. There's a reason, because Z Fold 8 Ultra got more into it compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.